was pretty lame, I guess. I didn't do much except for going to work in the morning. Like today, I went on a birthday from a close friend on Monday. Today's Wednesday, and I just basically run some errands the whole week. I went running once and then twice last week. I always try to go running like twice a week. Today I actually planned on like crafting the present for my boyfriend, because in like around 2 weeks we actually have our 6-year anniversary, and I wanted to do like those mini-me sculptures. I saw them all over Pinterest like the whole time, and they're so cute, and I actually have all the supplies for it, so I just have to start today, because it takes like 1 day to dry, and I have to paint it tomorrow. And on Friday I'm actually gonna head home to my family, because on Saturday we're going on family vacation to Greece, and I'm really excited for that. I planned on taking 3 books, and the vacation is 2 weeks long, so we'll see how that works. But first I need to finish my book, and it's still like this much to go. It's okay. I'm not going to finish it today, but maybe like tomorrow or the day after. And I really want to go to a cafe tomorrow, or maybe do some journaling. And I really want to wear my new beautiful cutesy skirt I got from Vinted yesterday. I showed you.
It's okay.